The name of the game in communications these days is high speed, as everybody knows. And consider, for example, whether that higher and higher speeds are coming through a wireless signal or over an optical fiber. Eventually, you have to take that signal, say the optical signal, off the fiber and change it into an electronic signal. And you need some very high-speed electronics at that point in order to keep up with the speed of fiber.
We need very high speed to process that information. There's switching networks, there's A to D converters necessary to bring the digital power to all of that. It just seems to be very natural for very fast technologies such as superconducting electronics.
Beyond speed in communications, the sensitivity of superconductors leads to other novel applications.
We're doing things like looking at the magnetic field from the human small intestine, and it offers to provide the first non-invasive diagnostic technique for a number of potentially fatal intestinal disorders. We're devising new techniques for studying corrosion in aging aircraft. Our superconducting microscopes may revolutionize the way in which people look at the magnetic fields trapped within rocks. The future is extremely exciting.
Like babies, amazed while taking our first steps, we are witness to science fiction becoming science fact, and the journey is just beginning.
Global communication, networking, technological advances, just a few of the elements influencing the world of business. As those developments happen, you'll see them here. Thanks for tuning in.
The fundamental properties of superconducting electronics lend themselves to a wide array of applications. However, as long as existing semiconductor technologies are able to serve the needs, obviously superconducting technologies are not deployed. Nowadays, however, semiconductor technologies in terms of performance advances are reaching what we call their sunset. By contrast, superconducting technologies are in their sunrise. It is a point transition where semiconductor technology's performance is fading and superconducting technology performance is starting to take off.